All right, guys, here we are again underneath the Grand National. We're going to be cleaning up the floor and the frame a little bit today. Doing a quick wire brush and then some more Rust-Oleum rusty metal primer. Hit it with some high performance enamel. Got a nice hole in the floor here. Apparently we're gonna be patching holes now. Another one right here. Pretty big one starting. That's what happens when you leave your shit sitting too long. The rest of the floor is in pretty good shape though, so I'm not gonna worry about it too bad. That's not bad considering. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Would you look at that? It's like a brand new car under here. If you pretend that rusty exhaust isn't there. It's my brand new frame. Don't mind that rusty heat shield or transmission. All right, so all we got left is the front, which is gonna suck. But we'll get it done and it'll look a lot better and maybe last a little longer. That's for another day though. All right, so the gas tank straps are the only thing we're gonna be reusing from the fuel system. I ended up getting a new tank. I didn't really have to, but I wanted to. These are not bad. They're still structurally good. So we're gonna get to painting them. See, they're like brand new, all painted up.